Hi, Mark Mercado from GoNutrients. So right now, this is more like one of the more popular products that we have, which I think like 40% of our clients really order from us. It's slimming juice. The reason for that is because our focus is not just the price or the cost itself, but we really focus more on the effectivity and taste because end of the day, our objective is really long-term relationship. It's not like, you sell something at a low cost, then you don't get repeat orders. So on our end, we make sure that it's really effective and at the same time, it tastes good to the point that you're enjoying something while trying to slim down. So right now, the product that we have is a slimming juice. The main components that it has in order for it to be really effective is number one, it has Garcinia Cambogia. Second is it has L-Carnitine. So these are the top benefits of L-Carnitine. So these are the top benefits of L-Carnitine. Number one is it burns fat. Second is it provides more energy during and after the workout. Third is it can boost your metabolism, so help you lose weight. Number four, it enhances or it provides or enhances recovery from an L-carnitine injection if you're using one. And five, which is also really good, is L-carnitine aids the body in terms of your immune system. So those are the five benefits of L-carnitine. And these are the five benefits of Garcinia Cambogia. Number one is Garcinia Cambogia promotes weight loss. Number two is it helps target body fat. Number three, it may reduce or help reduce your appetite. Number four is it helps improve the effectiveness of your workouts. And number five, which for me is also really important, is it can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce symptoms of diabetes. So those are the top five benefits of Garcinia. So those are the five benefits for Garcinia and L-carnitine. But on your end, since we have R&D, research and development team and chemist that can customize the ingredients or products that you want, you can also add, let's say, green tea, which is really good for slimming, or let's say silm husk for digestion. So you can really customize based on your specific specifications. Now, what's really important, like I mentioned again earlier, is that we focus more on effectivity and taste to ensure repeat customers and satisfied customers from their clients as well. So as always, we help entrepreneurs, businesses from start to finish, from product development, layout design, to packaging, FDA assistance, marketing support, and free delivery. Now, if you have the same comment or you want to add more benefits, which I haven't mentioned in the top five benefits, please comment below, like and subscribe our YouTube channel. It's GoNutrients Manufacturing, and you can visit our Facebook page. It's GoNutrients Manufacturing as well. Or to get more details, you can check our website. It's www.gonutrients.ph. So anything else, guys, be great.